Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano oil at home with fresh oregano. First, you'll need fresh oregano, a good quality carrier oil like olive or almond oil, and a clean glass jar. It's crucial that your oregano is completely dry to avoid any moisture introducing mold into your oil. Once dry, gently bruise the leaves. This helps release their beneficial aromatic compounds into the oil. Now, take your bruised oregano and place it into the clean glass jar. Pour your carrier oil over the oregano, making sure all the plant material is fully submerged. This prevents air exposure and potential spoilage. Once covered, seal the jar tightly with a lid. Give it a gentle shake to ensure everything is well combined and the infusion process can begin effectively. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, store your sealed jar in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Remember to give the jar a gentle shake every day. This daily agitation helps the oregano release its beneficial properties more effectively into the carrier oil. After the steeping period, strain the oil through a fine cheesecloth or a coffee filter to separate the plant material. Finally, transfer your freshly made oregano oil into a dark glass bottle. Dark glass helps protect the oil from light degradation, preserving its potency. Store your homemade oregano oil in a cool, dark place, and it should remain fresh and effective for up to 6 months. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.